How to jumpstart a dead battery with the Wagan Tech JumpBoost V6 Air. What you'll need: a vehicle with a dead battery and a Wagan Tech JumpBoost V6 Air. First, make sure that the vehicle's in park and the parking brake is set. Then pop the hood. Now determine the polarity of your vehicle's battery. The positive side of the battery is usually red and indicated by a plus sign. The negative side is usually black with a negative sign. Take the red positive cable and connect it to the positive terminal of your battery. Then take the negative cable, which is black, and connect it to the negative terminal of your battery. Turn on the jumper safety switch. Now attempt to crank the engine. Disconnect the cable clamps in reverse order. Black first, red second. And lastly, recharge the JumpBoost at your earliest convenience.